thought he was going to die.
He was going to die.
Surrounded by the sight of
young Americans
gagged and bleeding
and trampled. Victims in their own country
of state-sponsored violence. And the thing is,
I imagine initially that day, the troopers thought they'd won the battle.
You can imagine the conversations they had afterwards.
You can imagine them saying,
yeah, we showed them.
They figured they'd turn the protesters back over the bridge. That they kept and they preserved a system that denied the basic humanity of their fellow citizens. Except this time, there were some cameras there. This time, the world saw what happened, bore witness to Black Americans who were asking nothing more than to be treated like Americans.
Like other Americans.
Who were not asking for special treatment, just equal treatment. Promised to them a century before, and almost a century before that.
Another century before that.
We're born with instructions to form a more perfect union. Explicit in those words is the idea that we are imperfect. That what gives each new generation a purpose is to take up the unfinished work of the last and carry it further than any might thought possible. And afterwards I spoke to John privately, and he could not have been prouder to see this new generation of activists standing up for freedom and equality. A new generation that was intent on voting and protecting the right to vote. And in some cases, a new generation running for political office. And I told him, all of those young people, John, of every race and every religion, from every background and gender and sexual orientation, John, those are your children.